Tires are the only thing connecting your car to the road. No matter how powerful, technologically advanced, or comfortable your vehicle is, it all means nothing if your tires are in poor condition. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into everything you need to know about car tires, from the basics to maintenance tips and how to choose the right tires for your car. If you want to drive safely and economically, stay tuned. Tires are responsible for grip, braking, acceleration, and stability. They absorb shocks from the road, provide comfort, and ensure control in various driving conditions. Poorly maintained tires can significantly reduce your car's performance, increase fuel consumption, and most importantly, increase the risk of accidents. That's why it's crucial to understand how to take proper care of them. There are three main types of tires: summer, winter, and all-season. Summer tires are designed for warmer conditions. They have a specific rubber compound that provides excellent grip on dry and wet roads, but are not suitable for temperatures below 7 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Winter tires are made from softer compounds that don't harden in low temperatures. They have deeper and wider grooves for better traction on snow and ice. All-season tires are a compromise between summer and winter tires. They're good for moderate climates, but keep in mind that they'll never be as effective as specialized tires for a specific season. Tire sidewall markings contain key information you need to know. For example, let's take the marking 205/55 R 1691 V. 205 indicates the tire's width in millimeters. 55 is the aspect ratio, which is the height of the tire's sidewall as a percentage of its width. R stands for radial construction, the most common type of tire today. 16 is the rim diameter in inches that the tire fits. 91 is the load index, showing how much weight the tire can support. V is the speed rating, indicating the maximum speed the tire can safely handle. Understanding these markings helps you choose the right tires for your car. Regular tire maintenance is crucial for safety and longevity. Here are a few steps to follow. Check tire pressure. Incorrect pressure can reduce fuel efficiency, damage tires, and compromise safety. Check the pressure every 2-4 weeks and always before long trips. Rotate your tires. Regular tire rotation, usually every 10,000 kilometers or 6,000 miles, ensures even wear. Inspect tread depth. The minimum legal tread depth in most countries is 1.6 millimeters. If the tread is worn, it's time to replace the tires. Look for damage, check for cracks, bulges, or other visible damage. If you notice anything unusual, consult a professional. Tires need to be replaced in several situations. Wear: if the tread depth is below the legal minimum, 1.6 millimeters. Damage: if there are cracks, bulges, or other visible defects. Age: even if the tires look fine, after 5 to 10 years, the rubber can become brittle and unsafe. Check the manufacturing date on the tire's sidewall, DOT code. Seasonal change: if you use summer or winter tires, make sure to switch them on time. How to choose the right tires for your car. Here are a few tips. Consult your car manufacturer. Always check the tire recommendations in your owner's manual. Consider climate conditions. If you live in an area with harsh winters, winter tires are a must. Check ratings and reviews. Research the performance of the tires you're considering. Don't skimp on tires. Good tires are an investment in your safety. Tires are one of the most critical components of your car, yet they're often overlooked. They're the only part of your vehicle that touches the road, and their condition directly impacts your safety, performance, and even your wallet. By understanding the different types of tires, knowing how to read their markings, and maintaining them properly, you can ensure a smoother, safer, and more economical driving experience. Remember, your tires are your car's foundation. Whether you're driving in the heat of summer, the icy grip of winter, or the unpredictable conditions of spring and fall, the right tires and proper care can make all the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Inspect your tires regularly, replace them when needed, and always choose the best option for your driving conditions. If you found this video helpful and learned something new about tires, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us create more content like this and reach more people who want to drive safely and smartly.